Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the FryAway Super Fry Cooking Oil Solidifier. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about this. So let's get this opened up and I'll show you what it looks like. This is an all-in-one oil solidifier that is able to solidify up to 24 cups of oil. It also includes a scoop that we can use where we add 1 scoop of the powder to every cup of oil that we need to solidify, whether it's in a shallow saute pan all the way up to a full deep fryer. We are able to use this whenever we need to. Plus the pouch is resealable, making it convenient for us to store it and use it again whenever we need to. It is very easy to use. All we need to do is add the FryAway oil solidifier to hot cooking oil and stir it until it dissolves. Once it's cooled down, it will transform into a solid block, and all we gotta do is just toss it into the trash without having to deal with messy spills, clogged drains, or any other hassle. And it is multi-purpose, and we can use it for all kinds of different oils and grease like olive oil, canola oil, vegetable, coconut, avocado, peanut, sesame, sunflower, grapeseed, corn oil, soybean, palm, safflower, flaxseed, bacon grease, or lard. If you are in the market for an easy and convenient way to solidify leftover cooking oil, this is definitely worth looking into.